Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and opening Personal Hotspot on your iPhone because Bluetooth handles the link while the hotspot shares cellular data. Make sure Bluetooth is visible and the hotspot password is set. This prevents pairing prompts mid-process. On the client device, turn Wi-Fi off so it uses Bluetooth for tethering. Once done, remain on those iPhone screens. Do not switch away, so pairing and authorization proceed without interruptions, which speeds connection and avoids repeated retries. Next, on your other device, you scan for nearby Bluetooth devices and select your iPhone because pairing creates the secure channel for internet traffic. When a code appears, confirm it on both devices. This verifies identity and prevents accidental connections. After pairing, the iPhone will prompt to allow personal hotspot access. Tap Allow to grant network use. Once permission is given, the client will use the Bluetooth link for internet traffic. If it seems slow, briefly toggle Bluetooth off then on to reset the link. To finish, verify the connection by loading a web page or running a quick network check on the client so you confirm data flows over Bluetooth. Make sure the iPhone has sufficient cellular signal and monitor battery because Bluetooth tethering uses moderate power. Plug in if needed. If the internet does not work, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then restart Bluetooth on both devices. This clears transient pairing issues. If problems persist, restart the iPhone. Most stubborn Bluetooth issues resolve after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.